Welcome back to a series on multi-block structures and their applications. Today we will see how to create a multi-block O-grid mesh in GridPro. The first case I have chosen is an airfoil with a rounded edge with a circular far field. This is a perfect example to show an O-grid structure since both the far field and airfoil share the same topology. Pointwise founder John has given a very precise definition on the CFD online. In an O-grid, one family of grid line goes around the airfoil from the airfoil surface to the outer boundary. The other family of grid lines go radially from the airfoil to the outer boundary. Because the first family of lines go around the airfoil, they are circular shaped like the letter O. A H grid on this geometry will reduce the quality of the mesh significantly. The skewness values for cells at the far field boundary approaches to 1. And on the airfoil, the grid lines are not orthogonal. On the contrary, if we use an O-grid, the grid lines are orthogonal on the far field and the airfoil, and the mesh is of higher quality. We will look into applying O-grid on a 3D example. This is a submarine with a sail. In scenario 1, we will apply a global O-grid on the submarine surface and the sail. The mesh looks good at all regions except the foot of the sail, where the 90-degree angle is split into two 45-degree blocks. This results in the loss of orthogonality in this region. In scenario 2, instead of applying the O-grid globally, we will apply an O-grid on the sail and another O-grid on the submarine body, which is generally called as surface by surface in GridPro. By creating a structure like this, the quality of mesh is high, and the mesh is also perfectly orthogonal to the geometry. The grid structures are generally decided with respect to the shape of the geometries. With this, we end the video. We will be back again soon with the next part of the series where we discuss about C or half O-grid. If you have any questions on what type of block structures you need to use for your geometry, drop us a comment below. Feel free to write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Follow us on our social media pages. The links are posted in the description.